This feature is a huge time saver if you're generating many images with Nano Banana or Gemini. Instead of giving image prompts one by one and waiting for each image to finish, instead you can now batch many image prompts all at once and tell it to generate you multiple images, and then come back and download them at the end when it's all done. This is especially useful if you want to maintain consistent characters and settings. Here's how you do this. First, gather all the image prompts you want Nano Banana to make for you. In a separate chat, I get Gemini to give me 5 image prompts for my script. Now open a new Gemini chat and select the Banana Create Image option. Now I'll prompt it to generate me 5 images separately as 5 image files, according to the numbered prompts I give it below. I'll also tell it to maintain the same character design and look in each image. Now we'll paste in the individual image prompts Gemini made for us in the other chat and press Submit. And when we come back, all the images are completed and we can download them.